Hi everyone, I'm Teresa and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna break down one of the common mistakes my students make, and that's the use of kdy and když. In the first part of this video, I'm gonna tell you a simple story related to weather using these two words, kdy and když. And in the second part, I'm gonna explain how to use them. If you need the transcript or further exercise, or if you simply want to support my channel, head out to my Patreon page, the link is down below. So let's get started. Když je fajn počasí, mám hodně energie. Když venku svítí sluníčko, je teplo, tak chci být venku celý den. Ale když je venku zima, fouká vítr nebo prší, tak chci být doma. Chci vařit nebo si číst knížku. Když jsem žila na Kostarice, bylo tam celý rok tropické počasí. To bylo super. Když jsem byla na Kostarice, to bylo v roce 2019, těsně před covidem. Když jsem byla ve Finsku, bylo tam -30 stupňů. Když jsem byla ve Finsku? V roce 2018. Nemám ráda, když jsou venku extrémní teploty. Pro mě je ideální teplota, když je okolo 25 stupňů. A co ty? Kdy jsi navštívila Česko? Když je venku teplo, co ráda děláš? Co děláš ráda, když je venku zima? Napiš mi to do komentářů. By the way, you must have already noticed that káva changes to kávu or even kávo. The changes of these endings are called the cases, and in the Czech language we have a whole lot of them. However, memorizing these endings can be pretty boring and it can quickly discourage you from learning Czech. That's why I created my Simplified Czech Cases course, where you can master Czech cases in a fun and engaging method through short stories. You will learn how to use the cases in context rather than by memorizing isolated phrases. The link to my course is down below. Go check it out. As you can see, když refers to a condition or to a specific situation, whereas kdy refers to a specific point of time. Let's see the examples from the text. Když je fajn počasí, mám hodně energie. It's a condition. If the weather is nice, I have lots of energy. Like, it works the same way. Když bude fajn počasí, budu mít hodně energie. In the future, if the weather is nice, I'll have lots of energy. So that's a condition. Or when I'm talking about a specific situation and I'm describing it. Když jsem žila na Kostarice. When I lived in Costa Rica, something blah blah blah, something happened, bylo tam tropické počasí. So I'm describing a specific situation in the past or in the present. I can say, když je na Kostarice teplo, je tam hodně turistů. Like when the weather is nice there are lots of tourists coming there. So that's když. Whereas kdy jsem žila na Kostarice, when did I live in Costa Rica? Tell me the specific time. Žila jsem tam v roce 2019. I lived there in 2019. Or byla jsem ve Finsku. Kdy jsem byla ve Finsku? V roce 2019. Kdy máš čas? Zítra? When do you have time? Tomorrow? Whereas, když mám čas, relaxuju. When I have time, I relax. So when someone asks you kdy, they want to know a specific information, specific time. Whereas, when you talk about something když, you're usually describing something. And now I have a bonus for you. You may have already heard about i když. So it's two separate words, i když, I and když. And it means even though. So this one is really simple. For example, i když se učím italsky, pořád nemluvím dobře. Even though I study Italian, I still don't speak really well. Or i když je venku zima, mám hodně energie. Even though it's cold outside, I have lots of energy. So I hope it's clear now. kdy, když, i když. That's it for this video. I hope that it was valuable to you. Let me know in the comment section what other common mistakes in Czech you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Ciao!